Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about improving presentation skills. In last 6 or 7 years, I've created more than 100 commercial and scientific presentations. And that's why I want to tell you my story in creating presentations and improving my skills, how I've started and where I am now, what I'm doing now. And I hope that this will help you to improve your skills in presenting your products or ideas to customers or investors. First of all, I will tell a little about myself, and then I will tell you what this channel is gonna be about. And then I will tell you my story and some tips and tricks how to improve your presentation skills. My name is Julia and I have a master's degree in computer science. I'm a computer programmer, but for the last 6 years, actually more than 6 years, I am IT project manager. So I present our products and our ideas almost every week or every month. So I have a lot of skills in presenting something to somebody. Also, I am a senior lecturer at the IT university, so I have a lot of skills in telling and teaching students and creating slides. So I have technical skills in creating presentations, in creating designed and informative slides. What this channel is gonna be about? This channel will be about two types of presentation skills. First of all, hard skills and then soft skills. Both of these skills are very important. For example, hard skills are technologies, techniques in creating slides. It's design ideas, where you can find icons, fonts, images for your presentation, how to structure information on the slide, and how to create very informative and not hard to read and hard to watch presentation. And soft skills is about how to be confident, how to write a script for your presentation, how to create the structure of your presentation to convey your point of view to your audience. Some videos on this channel are gonna be technical and technological tutorials about creating presentations in PowerPoint, Apple Keynote, Canva.com and Google Slides. And videos about soft skills will be about how to be confident, how to structure your presentation, how to create a plan of your presentation for your audience. Your first and the most important goal is that your audience have to understand what you're talking about or have to buy something that you're trying to sell them. So if you wanna watch such videos about hard skills and soft skills in presentations, design and creating, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the like button so I could understand that these videos are useful and interesting for you. Okay, let me tell you about my story. So first, I started to create presentations when I was a student at my university. Those presentations were just very simple. It was just white background and black text, and presentations didn't have any structure or any logic or plan. I just put all of my text that I had to a few slides and that's it. But I've never tried to read from the paper. I always tried to tell from myself, and sometimes it was the same text that I had on my slides. Later I started to look for some design ideas, some images, icons, and I've tried to change fonts that I had in my presentation. And I've tried those ideas in my presentation, so I restructured my slides and the text on my slides to those design ideas. For example, I've tried to use points with icons or different background images, background effects, and my presentations became more designed and more interesting. Later, I started to present my own product, my own IT startup. It was an app in digital marketing sphere, and I've realized that words are also very important, not just I have to have interesting, colorful design presentation. Then I found out that the presentation must start from the story and the problem. Then you need to tell about your solution, your pluses and minuses, and you need to tell about your team. And the last slide shouldn't be just thank you for your attention. It should consist the main points of your presentation, so your audience could just make a photo of this slide and they will have all the main information that you were talking about. What about confidence? After maybe 10 or 20 presentations, I've realized that I'm becoming more confident in presentations. So it's just practicing. It's all just about practicing. You need to practice your presentation skills all the time. You need to create presentations, use different techniques and different designs, and always try to change your words, try to change your speech. And more you perform, more confident you become. It's all just about this. It's all just about practicing. So, in conclusion, there are a few steps in improving your presentation skills. First of all, you need to look for different design ideas, for different technologies, different apps that will be more comfortable for you. Then, it's about visual of your slides, your words, the structure of your presentation, and your confidence. And confidence, as I said, is all about practicing and practicing. So if these topics are interesting for you and you want to know more about it and you want to practice with me, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the like button so I could know that this video was interesting and useful for you. See you next time. Bye.